Hi guys! Samahan nyo akong explore si Rastion. So dito, makikita nyo sa dashboard, may sign up, login, support. So tara mag-sign up. So dito sa sign up page, isulat natin yung ating full name, email, password, mag-agree tayo to the terms of service and privacy policy. Okay, check natin yan. And then sign up. Okay guys, gawa tayong account. And guys, nakagawa na ako. So makikita nyo dito, pwede natin i-save yung ating information. So let's save it. Oh, meron na agad siyang $5 guys.
So nice.
Okay, wala pa tayong ginagawa. May $5 na tayo. Amazing. So dito, may mga songs and equivalent na sa USD dollars na price. Try natin magpatugtog guys ng isa. Playing. Minute ko lang guys kasi baka makapiright tayo. Mahirap na. O, continue daw. So ayan, continue. Okay. Complete na daw guys. So check natin. Na-add na nga guys. So meron na tayong $6.16. Continue and then complete. Ayan guys, 6.84 na. So dito merong One Music. So check natin to. So question siya guys, no, parang surveys. 1.92 daw ang equivalent nito sa dollars. So check natin. Tell us about yourself. How was music production technology influence your enjoyment of modern music? So, ito na lang pili natin. Okay, next. Thank you for completing the survey. You earned, nag-earn daw tayo guys. So, sabi dito ma-increase yung earnings natin just by playing games. I-enter natin yung ating number. So, ayan guys, no, ang daming games. Gusto niya i-try baka ma-increase yung earnings. So, yun na nga guys, nadagdag na siya. Balik tayong dashboard. Dito naman tayo sa hottest songs. So, meron din siyang songs guys, dalawa. Play natin, continue, complete. Shortcut ko na lang to guys. Pero medyo mahaba yan. Okay. So, yan guys. Meron na tayong 9.34. Galing-galing. Okay. Ayan. Complete. 9.98 na guys. Ganun lang siya kadali. Check natin yung dashboard. Meron dito, no? Creator bonus. A reward for creating your first Rastion explanation video. So, makaka-earn kayo ng up to $80 by creating videos like this guys. So try nyo na. Pero kailangan may 500 kayo guys, subscribers.
Okay.
So dito guys, invite and earn. $1 yata per invite guys. For successful invites yan. So dito sa my wallet. Meron siyang PayPal, Payeer, USDT, Mastercard, EcoPays, and Google Play. So, dito tayo sa PayPal. Try natin guys. Input lang natin yung info natin. So, withdraw. So, payment not generated. You must reach $90 or more guys. So, hindi pa tayo makaka-withdraw. So, okay. Balik tayo sa dashboard guys. Songs and radio. Okay, wala na siguro guys. Yun na siya. And let's sign out. Thank you guys.